What if you didn't have to replace your industrial battery at all?
Most batteries are replaced immediately.
But replacement is expensive and disrupts operations.
And it generates unnecessary industrial waste.
Renewcell battery regeneration restores existing batteries instead of replacing them.
It restores electrochemical performance at a deep internal level.
Bringing batteries back to up to 80% of original capacity.
Result: longer life, lower cost, and improved efficiency.
Used across manufacturing, logistics, energy, marine, construction, and telecom.
If you manage industrial batteries, this is worth a conversation. Contact Renewcell for a free assessment